In this video, we will demonstrate Flowmon APM capabilities on a dashboard showing metrics and insights for a specific company application. The main application KPI is called APM index, and it represents how the expected SLA is being met. In this case, we can see the APM index of 96%, which indicates still a reasonable level of compliance with the required SLA. The main focus of APM is application response time, so metrics like average response time, median, 95 percentile, or 99 percentile are available. These metrics help to better understand the dynamics of the application and user experience. APM also provides intelligent insights, such as list of the slowest transactions that impact the application performance. Improving these transactions will have the most significant impact on the overall user experience. All the metrics are also available as a time series data. This helps to understand how a particular metric evolved over time and how various metrics correlate between each other. A good example is the number of concurrent users. In addition to performance metrics, APM provides visibility into status and error codes of individual transactions and can discover application requests or SQL statements that crash due to an error and negatively impacting user experience. Performance metrics and error codes can be tracked on transaction level and can depict issues in specific application components or areas. Drilling down further to individual transactions is possible to understand under which circumstances the transaction crashed or was not processed in a timely manner.